Designed by Minneapolis architect Lowell Lamoureaux in the Renaissance Revival style, the large, two-story City Hall building occupies half a city block and is set off by a large lawn. Prior to City Hall's construction in 1905 to 1906, the city had rented office space on the upper floors of several downtown buildings. The completion of City Hall allowed the city to consolidate administrative offices, a jail, and a fire station in one building. Lamoureaux was in high demand in Red Wing during this time period, as he also designed the T.B. Sheldon Memorial Auditorium and the Goodhue County National Bank building, both constructed 1 year before City Hall's construction began. Like other turn-of-the-century public buildings in Red Wing, City Hall incorporates a variety of classical details within its design that were influenced by the City Beautiful movement, an outgrowth of the 1893 Chicago Columbian Exposition. Note the triangular pediments above the first-story windows and the modillioned cornice which encircles the building's roofline. Although the fire station and jail have moved to nearby locations, the building has continuously housed the main administrative offices at the City of Red Wing since 1906. The City of Red Wing recently completed a major project to improve the accessibility to the building, which included the creation of a new accessible entrance on the east side of the building and the remodeling of the former fire apparatus room into a new, larger City Council chambers. The previous City Council chambers was located on the second floor of the building and was not easily accessible to the public. Red Wing City Hall is listed in the National Register of Historic Places.